Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easy repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 to 20 minutes to complete. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install this part. Warning: we recommend disconnecting the battery before beginning the installation. Start by removing the column lower shroud mounting screws. Pry the upper and lower shrouds from the column. If equipped, unplug the wire pigtail from the lock. Turn the ignition to the run position. Use a small screwdriver or similar tool to press the ignition lock release tab. Pull the ignition lock from the column. To install the new lock cylinder, turn it to the accessory position and push it fully into the port. Reassemble the column by following these instructions in reverse order.